record 2 videos in one day. Just probably because my mom dropped some milk. My mom also dropped some milk, by the way. But well, hey, this is April 20th, but I uploaded 2 videos in one day, so lucky guess. Is it really? Out of curiosity box. You can probably see my address on it, so 2 of them actually. Sorry. Alright, got it. Let's see what this one has in it. Plenty of interesting stuff in it. Here's a t-shirt. Oh, beanie, that's nice. Let's see. What we got here? Music maker? Calendar puzzle. VR headset? How's science? Hi, Dad.
Hi, Zach.
I'm recording an unboxing. Gonna check to see if there's any. Okay, no code's in it. Okay, this one doesn't have a code. It's probably in the email or something. Well, that's it.